Your iPhone has genius location sharing tricks. In this video, guys, I'll guide you on how to share your location with someone in case of emergency. Maybe you are traveling, you want to share your location with friends, family, so that they'll be able to know your step out. This is easy. Go to the settings on your iPhone and tap on it. Now scroll down until you get to privacy and security tab. Tap on it. Now go ahead and tap on location surface. Once tap on location surface, make sure that this button is enable location surface. If it is disabled, make sure that you enable this button. Now go ahead and tap on share my location. Once tap on share my location, go ahead and tap on find my phone. Once tap on find my phone, make sure that this three button is enable. Find my iPhone, find my network, and send a location. Now that you've done this and this has been set, now let's go and share location. Come to your phone and locate and tap the contact button. That is this app. Tap on it. Or tap on it from the list of contact or device. Tap the fellow you want to share your location with. So now tap on this button. Once tap on it, then go ahead and tap on share location. Once tap on share location, you have this option: share indefinitely, share until end of the day, share for 1 hour. So you can select any of these option to select or to share your location with this fellow. So let's tap and share for an hour. Now that I've done that, we've tapped on share for an hour. Now let's go and locate find my button. This app, tap on it on your device. Once tap on it on your device, it comes up like this. Go ahead and tap on this people button. Now the fellow you share your location with is up here. Now can see your location. Tap on it. Once tap on it, now tap on it again. Are you sure you want to stop sharing? No, we are not stopping sharing. So tap on contact. Once tap on contact, you access this person again. So guys, this is the simple process on how to share your location with someone on iPhone. If you enjoyed this tip and if you've not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.